Got a fish! All right, stay on, stay on, stay on. Got one on the board, almost. I gotta get him on the board. Oh, I lost him. No picture. That's scoreable. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Oh, get in there. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh. Got it. Going to the bank. Going to the bank. Yes! Got a fish! Woo! Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Keeper. If I can get him in the net, he's in the net. Got him in the net. Yeah! So happy. Catching fish makes me happy. Almost 14. Well, tournament's over. Not exactly the way I wanted it to go. I did manage to get 2 fish on the board. I lost the one that jumped the board, and then I had another really big one break my line. If you can't fish clean, not gonna win a tournament, but I would have only had 4 fish on the board anyway. Caught tons of small ones. I caught so many short fish, actually lost track, but I had fun, I learned, and I can't wait to do it again. And if you haven't already, you guys got to check me out on Billy Kayaks. I'm telling you, one of these days I'm going to figure these fish out. I'm going to win a tournament or 2 or 3. And if I keep recording, I might have a cool video. So hope you guys like this one. Tight lines. Hope to see you guys on the water.